Hi everybody. Now today we are going to discuss the topic is blood circulatory system. It is one of the most important organ system in our human body. What is that? Blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system. Blood circulation. Then a main aim of the blood circulatory system is transportation. What is it? Transportation of food material and transportation of oxygen, carbon dioxide. Then by the blood circulatory system also some of the hormones are also transported. But here you have to remember the main aim of that blood circulatory system is transportation. Then the blood circulatory system was done by William Harvey. What is it? Blood circulatory system was done by William Harvey. William Harvey conducted many experiments on the blood circulatory system. That's why William Harvey also called as a father of blood circulation. That father of is a father of blood circulation. Father of blood circulation. Then William Harvey discovered the blood circulatory system in 1628. What is it? In the year of 1628. That's why William Harvey called as father of blood circulatory system. Then in a blood circulatory system there are 4 parts in that blood circulatory system. Then the parts are, first one is that is a heart. What is it? Heart. That is a human heart. And arteries and what is it? Veins and blood. Heart, arteries, veins, blood. Here you have to remember in this chapter that is a heart, arteries, veins and blood. In an examination, one question is expected from this topic. Then firstly, heart. What is it? Heart. The human heart. What is it? Human heart. The human heart is saved by the pericardium or pericardial membrane. Human heart saved with pericardial membrane. What is it? A pericardium or pericardial membrane. Then the weight. What is it? The average weight of this heart is 300 grams. Average weight of the heart is 300 grams. But it varies in children and adults, and it varies female and male. But that average weight is 300 grams. Average weight is 300 grams. In children, in children's, what is it? In children, the weight of the heart is nearly 235 to 240 grams. What is it? 240 grams. In male, the average in the male the heart weight is at 282, that is 340 grams. 280 to 340 grams. Then in female, in female the heart weight is that is especially 230 to 280 grams. What is that? 230 to 280 grams. Then but here no need to remember these values, but you have to remember the average weight of that heart is 300 grams. What is that? 300 grams. Then the heart is saved in a pericardium or pericardial membrane. What is it? Pericardium or pericardial membrane. Pericardium or pericardial membrane. Then next one is that it contains, the heart contains two atrium or auricle. What is that? Two atrium or auricle and two ventricle. What is it? Two ventricle. Basically that's why the human heart is four chambered. What is it? Four chambered heart. Four chambered heart. Human heart is four chambered heart. Then in these human hearts, rough diagram is like this. What is that? Then it is a rough diagram. Rough diagram, and here it is these are auricles. What is it? These are ventricles. Auricles are atrium, then ventricle. Then here it is a right auricle. What is it? Right auricle. It is a left auricle. It is a right ventricle. It is a left ventricle. Left ventricle. Then the anterior. What is it? Anterior chambers are called as auricles, and the posterior chambers are called ventricle. What is that? Anterior side there is a right auricle and a left auricle. In posterior side that is a ventricle, and that is the right ventricle and left ventricle. That is a right auricle and a left auricle. Right auricle and left auricle, and right ventricle and left ventricle. This anterior chambers, anterior part is called as auricle, and posterior called as a ventricle. This anterior and posterior parts. What is it? Anterior and posterior. In comparison of four chambers of human heart, that left ventricle is biggest one, and in comparison of right auricle and left auricle, the right auricle is bigger than the left auricle, and in comparison of right ventricle and left ventricle, that left ventricle is bigger than the right ventricle. Bigger than the right ventricle. Here you have to remember. That is a question. And in a right auricle, that is in a right side of the human heart. What is that? In right side of the human heart, there is a impure blood. What is that? Impure blood. Then the left side of human heart filled with pure blood. That impure blood means that is a deoxygenated blood. That is a pure blood means it is a oxygenated blood. What is it? Pure blood means that is a oxygenated blood. This is there is one question in this topic, that is in comparison of auricles. In comparison of auricle, the right auricle is bigger than the left auricle. That is a right auricle is bigger than the left auricle, and that is a left ventricle is bigger than the right ventricle. Right ventricle. And here also you have to remember, then between the auricles, right and left auricle, septum is present, and between the right ventricle and left ventricle also, that is the septum is present, that is the wall of this chambers that is present, and in between right auricle and left right auricle and right ventricle, the tricuspid, what's it, tricuspid wall is present. What is it? Between right auricle and right ventricle, right auricle and right ventricle, tricuspid wall is present. What is that? Tricuspid wall is present. Tricuspid wall is present, and between left auricle and left ventricle, dicuspid wall is present. What is it? Dicuspid wall is present. This wall also called as a mitral wall. What is it? Mitral wall. This wall also called as a mitral valve. Then there is a question in examination, that is where the mitral valve is present. This mitral valve is present between auricle and ventricle. That auricles are then left auricle and left ventricle. Left ventricle. These are auriculoventricular valves. What is it? Auriculoventricular valves. In human hearts, two types of auriculoventricular valves are present. First one is that tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve present between the right auricle and right ventricle, and the dicuspid valve is present between the left auricle and left ventricle. Then these between the auricle and ventricle, between auricle and ventricle, that is the valves are present, and between auricles, left auricle and left ventricle, the septum is present. What is it? Septum is present. Then the human heart is a four-chambered heart. What is that? Four-chambered heart. Human heart is especially surrounded by the pericardial membrane. That's why human heart saved in a pericardial membrane, that is called as a pericardium. What is that? Pericardium. Then in a circulatory system, we can observe the two types of the circulatory systems. What are they? First one is that open blood circulatory system. What is that? Open blood circulatory system. Then second one is that closed blood circulatory system. Then first one is that open blood circulatory system. Then second one is that closed blood circulatory system. Then when the difference between the open blood circulatory system and closed blood circulatory system is, in open blood circulatory system, the blood flows in open spaces. What is it? Open spaces of the body. If the blood flows in open spaces of the body, then it's called as a open blood circulatory system. Then this type of open blood circulatory system is especially present in invertebrates. What is it? Invertebrates. That is especially in cockroach, like that. That open blood circulatory system is present. Then in closed blood circulatory system, what is that? Closed blood circulatory system means the blood flows in blood vessels. What is it? Blood flows in blood vessels like arteries and veins. That is called as a closed blood circulatory system, especially in vertebrates. What is it? Especially we can find this type of blood circulatory system in vertebrates. What is it? In vertebrates. It is in invertebrates. It is in vertebrates. What is it? It is in invertebrates. It is in vertebrates. Then closed blood circulatory system especially present in what is that? Earthworm. What is that? Earthworm and fish and human body. In the human body, this type of blood circulatory system is present, especially then open blood circulatory system especially present in insects. What is that? In insects we can find the open blood circulatory system. In this open blood circulatory system, the blood flows in open spaces, and if that blood flows in blood vessels, then it's called as a closed blood circulatory system. The examples of that closed blood circulatory system is earthworm, fish and human body. Here you have to remember that there is a question. What is in earthworm, which type of the circulatory system is present? That is called as a closed blood circulatory system. And then you have to remember that is a human heart is a muscular organ. What is that? Human heart is a muscular. What is that? Muscular organ. Then what is a muscular organ? In a muscular organ, the heartbeat is stimulated by the pacemaker. What is that? Pacemaker. If this is a pacemaker, it is nothing but that is a cardiac muscle fiber. What is that? Cardiac muscle fiber that stimulates the heartbeat. If heartbeat is stimulated by the pacemaker or SAN, what is that? SAN, that is a sinoatrial node or sinoauricular node. What is that? Sinoauricular node or sinoatrial node. This is called as a pacemaker. If heartbeat, what is that? Heartbeat. If heartbeat is stimulated by the pacemaker, then it's called as a muscular organ. In human body, that the human heart is a muscular organ. Then the muscular organ is differentiate from that neurogenic heart. What is that? Neurogenic heart. Then what is a neurogenic heart? If the heartbeat is stimulated by the nerve impulse. What is that? If heartbeat is stimulated by the nerve impulse, then it's called as a neurogenic heart. What is that? If heartbeat is stimulated by the nerve impulse, then it's called as a neurogenic heart. What is it? Neurogenic heart. This type of neurogenic heart is especially present in invertebrates, but in vertebrates, that is, a muscular organ is present. In muscular organ, the heartbeat is stimulated by the pacemaker. What is it? Heartbeat is stimulated by the pacemaker. If heartbeat is stimulated by the pacemaker, then it's called as a muscular organ. What is that? Muscular organ. In the human body, that is a 4-chambered heart is present. In these 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles are present. What is it? 2 auricles and 2 ventricles are present. But if here you observe that in fish, what is that? In fish, that 2-chambered heart is present. What is that? In fish, 2-chambered heart is present. Then in amphibians, what is that? In amphibians, what is that? In amphibians and reptiles, in amphibians and reptiles, that is a 3-chambered heart is present. What is that? 3-chambered heart is present. But in crocodile, what is it? In crocodile, actually that's crocodile, it is a reptile. What is it? Crocodile, it is a reptile. And in crocodile, and what is it? In crocodile that have the in crocodile and birds, what is it? Birds that have the 4-chambered heart, that is mammals. What is that? For mammals that have the 4-chambered heart. And if you observe in earthworm, what is it? In earthworm, that is 8 pairs of heart is present. In cockroach, what's it? In cockroach, especially, that is 13 chambers of heart is present in cockroach. Here you have to remember the cockroach, that is 13 chambers, and earthworm that have the 8 pairs. But here you have to remember actually in a reptile, what is that? In a reptile, reptiles means that is snakes and lizards, 3-chambered heart is present. But if you observe that in a crocodile actually it is a reptile, but it have the 4-chambered heart. You have to remember here. But that you have to remember heart. This cockroach have the 13 chambers and earthworm have the 8 pairs of that hearts. 8 pairs of chambers in that heart. Okay, then in the human heart, actually that human heart, the first artificial, what is it, first heart transplantation, what is it, heart transplantation. Here you have to remember, this question is frequently came in that examination. Heart transplantation, what is it, heart transplantation. Heart transplantation firstly conducted by the, what is that, the heart transplantation firstly conducted by the Christian Bernard. The scientist name is that Christian Bernard. What is that? Christian Bernard, the name of scientist. He was that first in the world, first heart transplantation in the world. First heart transplantation was conducted by the Christian Bernard. What is that? Christian Bernard belongs to the South Africa, and is conducted the heart transplantation to the patient name is Warrenski. What is that? Warrenski in the year of 1967. And in India, the heart transplantation was conducted by the, that is Venugopal. What is it? In India, the heart transplantation was conducted by the Venugopal. In India, what is it? In India, heart transplantation was conducted by the Venugopal. Venugopal is a doctor, belongs to AIIMS, then All India Institute of Medical Science in the year of 1984. And then that patient name is Devi Ram. What is it? Devi Ram. Then it is about the heart transplantation. What is it? Heart transplantation. The next one is that artificial heart. What is that? Artificial heart. What is the artificial heart? The artificial heart with valves. What is that? Valves was made by the artificial heart with valves was made by the William Kolff. What is that? Scientist name is William Kolff. Artificial heart with valves was made by the William Kolff. Then open heart surgery. What is that? Open heart surgery. The open heart surgery was firstly conducted by the that is open heart surgery. This is nothing but the arrangement of artificial valves is called as a open heart surgery. The arrangement of artificial valves called as a open heart surgery. Then this open heart surgery was conducted by the scientist name is Lille Hall. What is that? Lille Hall is a scientist. Then you have to remember that is artificial heart. What is that? Artificial heart. The name of artificial heart. There is a question. Artificial heart. The name of artificial heart is Jarvik 7. What is it? Jarvik 7. What is Jarvik 7? Jarvik 7 is at nothing but the name of artificial heart. This name came with the contribution of scientist Robert Jarvik. What is that? Robert Jarvik. Here you have to remember this point. Then what is that? Heart transplantation. Heart transplantation is nothing but then heart. One heart is changed from one person to the another person, then it's called as a heart transplantation. The first heart transplantation in the world was conducted by the Christian Bernard in 1964. to the Warensky. Warensky is a patient name. Christian Bernard is a scientist name. And in India, it was conducted by the Venugopal in 1984. Venugopal belongs to the All India Institute of the Medical Science. What is that? All India Institute of the Medical Science. And the patient name is Devi Ram. He done heart transplantation to the Devi Ram. And artificial heart. What is it? Artificial heart with valves. What is it? Valves was made by the William Kolb. What is it? William Kolb. And open heart surgery was conducted by the Lille Hall. The open heart surgery was conducted by the Lille Hall. Then next, open heart surgery is nothing but arrangement of that artificial valves called as a open heart surgery. Then what is the artificial heart? Name of the artificial heart is Jarvik 7. What is that? Jarvik 7 is the name of the artificial heart. And bypass surgery. What is that? Bypass surgery. Bypass surgery. Bypass surgery. Then bypass surgery is nothing but that arrangement of bypass artery. If that artery is failure, then arrangement of the bypass artery is not called as a bypass surgery. This bypass surgery, when the arteries were blocked, this bypass surgery is taken. The bypass surgery was invented by the Rene Geronimo Favaloro. Rene Geronimo Favaloro, firstly invented by the Rene Geronimo Favaloro. That is a bypass surgery. Then heartbeat. Next topic is a heartbeat. Here you have to remember open blood circulatory system, closed blood circulatory system, and bypass surgery, open heart surgery, artificial heart, and heart transplantation. What is it? Heart transplantation. Then the average weight of heart is 300 grams. Average weight of heart is 300 grams. Then next one is that heartbeat. What is that? Heartbeat. Then before going to that, that is a heartbeat. What is that? Heartbeat. What is that? Heartbeat. Heartbeat. The rate of heartbeat is 72 times. What is that? 72 times per minute. 70 times per minute. This heartbeat, the heartbeat, it is a double action. What is that? Heartbeat, it is a double action. What is that? Double action. Heartbeat, it is a double action. What is that? Heartbeat, it is a double action. Then in the human heart, what is that? Human heart, you can, it is a rough diagram. It is double action. Then these are auricles and ventricles. When the contraction, what is that? When the contraction occurs in the auricles, when the contraction occurs in the auricles, the blood flows from auricle to the ventricle. What is it? Auricle to the ventricle through the auricular ventricular valves. Auricular ventricular valves. When auricles or atrium contract, then the blood flows from the auricle to the ventricle. Then when that ventricle contracts, when ventricle contracted, the blood flows from ventricle to the, what is it? Ventricle to the arteries. What is that? Arteries. This is a aorta. This is a aorta, and this is a pulmonary aorta. What is that? Pulmonary artery. that bloods pumped into the pulmonary artery and aorta. Pulmonary artery and aorta. Pulmonary artery and aorta. Then when that these ventricle contracts, when this ventricle contracts, at that time these auricles relax. These auricles relax. At that time these auricles filled with the blood. What is that? Filled with the blood. Auricles filled with the bloods. Then here you have to remember that there is a tricuspid valves. What is the tricuspid valves present in this aorta and pulmonary artery? Aorta and pulmonary artery. When the ends of this ventricle contraction, when the ends of this ventricle contraction, these aortal valves closed. Aortal valves were closed at the time that make the sound dub. What is it? That make the sound dub. Here you have to remember that. When that blood flows from auricle to ventricle at the time of auricle contraction, then that contraction reaches to the ventricle. At that time ventricle contraction is started. At that time these auricular ventricular valves were closed that make the sound of lub. What is it? Lub. When valves between auricular ventricular valves closed, that makes the sound lub. And when aortal or pulmonary artery valves closed, that makes the sound dub. That's why the heartbeat sounds are lub dub, lub dub. What is that? Lub dub, lub dub, makes a lub dub sound. What is that? Lub dub sound. Here you have to remember these sounds, and when that sounds come in the heartbeat, then we can observe that two types of sounds in a heartbeat. Then that is a heartbeat and a heart sound. What is that? A heartbeat and a heart sound. This heartbeat, especially heartbeat, was measured by the stethoscope. What is that? Stethoscope. Then more than 72 times. If we can observe the heartbeat more than 72 times, then it's called as a tachycardia. What is that? Tachycardia. Tachycardia means the heartbeat more than 72 times. Then we can observe the less than 72 times per minute. Then it's called as a bradycardia. What's it? Bradycardia. If the heartbeat is less than 72 times, then it's called as a bradycardia. Then that is more than 72 times, that is called as a tachycardia, and less than 72 times heartbeat, that is called as a bradycardia. What is it? Bradycardia. Then we can find this heartbeat less than 72. What is it? Less than 72 in old people. What is it? Old people. Then in old people the heartbeat is 60 times per minute, but this heartbeat is more than 135 in that children's. What is the children's? The heartbeat is more than the normal heartbeat. What is it? It is more than the normal heartbeat in children's, and it is less in old people. What is it? It is less in old people. That is the heartbeat. This heartbeat especially is measured by the equipment. The equipment name is a stethoscope. What is it? Stethoscope. Then the 72 times, that is a heartbeat the rate of heartbeat is 72 times, then that every heartbeat that takes 0.8 seconds. What is that? Every heartbeat that takes the time of 0.8 seconds. That's why per minute it is 72 times. That nearly, that is 72 times. Then every heartbeat that pump the blood of 70 ml. What is it? 70 ml. That's why the cardiac output. What is it? Cardiac output. What is the cardiac output? Cardiac output is nothing but that is a 70 ml into that is a 72. What is it? 70 ml into that is a 72. That is a 5040. What is it? 5040 ml. What is a 5040 ml? It is a cardiac output of a human heart. What is it? A cardiac output of human heart. Then next one is at a pacemaker. What is it? A pacemaker. Then what is a pacemaker? What is a pacemaker? Pacemaker. What is a pacemaker? The pacemaker is nothing but in human heart. What is that? Human heart. It is a 4-chamber heart. Is a rough diagram. Then in the human heart, then where the what is it? Where the that is superior vena cava opens. Where the superior vena cava opens, at that place. What is that? At this place, one cardiac muscle fiber is present. What is it? One cardiac muscle fiber is present. What is it? Cardiac muscle fiber. This cardiac muscle fiber is also called as a sinoauricular node or sinoatrial node. What is that? Sinoauricular node or SA node. What is that? SA node. This SA node at the place of this sinoauricular node, the contraction contraction is began. What is that? Contraction is started or generated at the place of this sinoauricular node. The sinoauricular node, then the contraction flows toward the auricular ventricular node. What is it? Auricular ventricular node. Then that can create the contraction in ventricles. That can create the contracts in a ventricle. Here you have to remember that is a pacemaker. Then that is nothing but sinoauricular node. What is that? Sinoauricular node. That is the SA node. That generates a heartbeat. What is that? That's a generator heartbeat. That's why the heartbeat is nothing but the contraction is started with that sinoauricular node. Then that the contraction reaches to the ordinary cardiac muscle. What is that? Ordinary cardiac fiber. Then that reaches the ventricle, and then ventricle will contracted. This type, this like that heart is atrium and ventricles are contracted. That's why that create the heartbeat. What's that? That's why they create the heartbeat.